So welcome to this session. We'll be talking about logical reasoning, and here today we will be discussing odd man problems. Which one is the odd person or the odd sequence, and these are used in competitive exams. Also, we will be learning a little bit about syllogism, which is again a part of logical reasoning. So let's get started. Now, odd man out problems can be classified into alphabets, words, and numbers. So coming to the first question, find the odd man out. AC, BD, CE, DG, EG and FH. So it is DG here because everywhere else you have one in between, A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, but D, E, F, G. So DG is the odd one out. The next sequence is BCD, CDE, DEF and EFG. This is BCD since all other groups contain a vowel. So you can see that you have to look at it for some time before you can actually figure out what is the common sequence to all the numbers or all the terms. The next one is easier: Venus, Jupiter, Mercury, Pluto, Moon and Neptune. So it is Moon because it's not one of the satellites which we normally talk about. Then we have the colors: violet, indigo, black, green, yellow, orange and red. So it's black because it's not the primary color. The rainbow colors are vibgyor. Coming to numbers, you have 26, 38, 50, 62, 76, 86 and 98. So here it is 76 because none of the other numbers are divisible by 4, whereas 76 is divisible by 4. The next question: 15, 25, 45, 55, 65, 72, 75 and 85. As you can see, this is slightly easier. It is 72 because all the others are divisible by 5. Next, we have 725, 871, 642, 954, 863, 734, 541. It is 863 since in all others the first digit is the sum of the second and third. You can see that 7 is 5 plus 2, 8 is 7 plus 1, 6 is 4 plus 2, 9 is 5 plus 4 except for 863. Next we have 7, 26, 63, 124, 217, 342, 511. It's 217 since every other number is 1 less than a cube. You have 7 is 2 cubed minus 1, 26 is 27 minus 1, 3 cubed, 63 is 64 minus 1, 4 cubed, 342 is 7 cubed minus 1. So this is how we define the odd one out. Now coming to syllogism. Syllogism is a kind of logical argument in which a conclusion is drawn from two or more statements that are assumed to be true. For example, before we start, we have some notations. We have the Venn diagram. So if we have this, it means all A are B. When you have the intersection, it is some A are B. When it is separate, no A are B or no B are A. And A equal to B, this is how we have it. So in the following questions, which of the two conclusions are true based on the following statements? So statement 1 is all pens are pencils. Statement 2 is some books are pens. So we have all pens are pencils, so pens are inside pencils. Some books are pens, so we overlap the books with the pens. And conclusion 1 is some pencils are books, which is true. Some pencils are pen, which is also true. So both conclusions are true. Statement 1, all fruits are oranges. Statement 2, all oranges are onions. So all fruits are oranges and all oranges are onions. So we draw the Venn diagram depicting statement 1 and 2. Conclusion 1 is some onions are oranges, which is true. And conclusion 2, some fruits are onions, which is again true. So both conclusions 1 and 2 are true. Statement 1, again, all rectangles are quadrilaterals. Statement 2, no quadrilateral is a triangle. All rectangles are quadrilateral, so we have the rectangle inside the quadrilateral. No quadrilateral is a triangle, so we draw the triangle separately. Conclusion 1 is all quadrilaterals are rectangles, which is not true. And conclusion 2 is no triangle is a rectangle, which is true. So drawing this figure helps. So we have come across a few basic concepts on identifying the odd man out in sequences and also seen basic syllogism questions. So thank you.